Okay, exercise 3.1, third sum. Find the simplified form of the following ratios. So first of all, ratio, how can we supposed to find ratio? So look at here. There are two numbers. So this is called this is called ratio. So there are colon in between two number. Look at here, there are colon in between two number, which means what? So that is called ratio. So I can write that ratio into divided by form. Suppose 2:4, which means I can write 2. So the 2 ratio 4, I can write 2 ratio 4 as 2 divided by 4. Yeah, this is also ratio form only. Okay. So first of all, how can we find ratio? So there are two numbers. So when between two numbers we have colon symbol. So 5 ratio 10. So I can write 5 ratio 10 as 5 by 10. And then 5 by 10 also I can write 5:10, 5 ratio 10. Okay, so first of all, first question is 15 ratio 20. So 15 ratio 20, I can write 15 ratio 20 as 15 divided by 20, and then cancel it. Can't cancel it after gets cancelled. So look at here, this is 15, this is 20. So fifth table we get cancelled. So 3 5s are 15 and 4 5s are 20. So answer is 3 by 4. So I can write 3 by 4 as 3:4. So 3 ratio 4. As of 3 ratio 4. Second question is 32 ratio 4. So 32 ratio 4. So answer is, look at that, 32 ratio 4. How can I suppose to write 32 divided by 4? 32 divided by 24. So and then 8th table, I have to use 8th table. So 4 8s are 32, 3 8s are 24. So answer is 4 by 3. I can write 4 by 3 as 4:3. So 4 ratio 3. Okay. Yeah. 12 divided by 7. So 12 is to 27. So which means what? 12 divided by 27. So 3 table we can cancel. So 4 3s are 12 and 9 3s are 27. So answer is 4 by 9. I can write 4 by 9 as 4:9. Is it okay? And then 75 ratio 100. So 75 by 100. Use fifth table first of all. 75 by 100. You can use small tables also. Fifth table use now 10 5s are 50, and then 15 5s are 75. This is 15, this is 20. So 15 5s are 75, 20 5s are again we have to cancel it. Again fifth table. So 3 5s are divided by 4 5s are. So answer is 3 by 4. I can write 3 by 4 as 3:4. 3 ratio 4. And the question number 4 is, Agilan walks 10 km in an hour. Why Selvi walks 6 km in an hour? Find the simplest ratio of the distance covered by Agilan to that of Selvi. So first one is Agilan drawn by walks 10 km in an 1 hour, while the same timing Selvi walks 6 km only in an hour. So our aim is to prove find that simplest ratio of the distance covered by Agilan to that of Selvi. So first of all, I am writing given what are the information given in the question. So distance covered by Agilan 1 hour equal to 10 km. distance covered by cell V in an 1 hour equal to 6 kilometer. So these two are given in the question. Okay, so if you want to find the ratio of, so you must take divide. So distance covered by Aguilin divided by distance covered by cell V. So that means what, that is a ratio. Okay, so distance covered by Aguilin divided by distance covered by cell V. So Aguilin covered by, sorry, distance covered by Aguilin is 10 kilometer divided by distance covered by cell V is 6 kilometer only. Yeah, correct. So in the two table, how many times 10? So 5 twos are 10 divided by 3 twos are 6. So இதுக்கு மேல என்ன cancel பண்ண முடியுமா? There is no chance to cancel. So the answer is 5 by 3. So we can write 5 by 3 as 5:3, 5 ratio 3. The cost of parking a bicycle is rupees 5 and the cost of parking a scooter is rupees 15. Find the simplest ratio of the parking cost of a bicycle to that of a scooter. So look at that. Find the simplest of ratio of the parking cost of bicycle to that of a scooter. So first they are mentioning bicycle. So the bicycle value comes in the மேலே, so the bicycle value comes in the numerator and the scooter value comes in the denominator. So numerator means மேலே, denominator means கீழே. Okay, so in the previous sum, find the simplest look at the find the simplest ratio of the covered by Aguilin to the top cell V. So Aguilin must be in the numerator, so look at the Aguilin must be in the up, cell V in the down, correct? So 10 kilometer by 6. But in this sum, yeah, look at in this sum, parking cost of bicycle to the top of scooter. So the bicycle first of all comes up and then divided by scooter, so which is equal to, so not only like that bicycle, so cost of bicycle divided by cost of scooter. So cost of bicycle divided by cost of scooter. Cost of bicycle is 5, cost of scooter is 15. I can solve this 5 by 15 in the fifth table. 1 5s are 5, 3 5s are 15. So 1 by 3 is answer. So I can write 1:3, 1 ratio 3. Okay, so 5 by 15, correct? I can cancel this. 1 5s are 5, 1 5s are 5, 3 5s are 15. So answer is 1 by 3.